problem of severe cough and coughing is disturbing your life, then from children to age-old person, everybody daily should take 2 Tanvi Jeshta tablets. And whenever the complaint is, that time you can chew Tanvi Jeshta or take 3 to 4 times a day Tanvi Jeshta extra. Tanvi Jeshta is the best tonic, especially for coughing, especially for indigestion. It works for snoring also, for harsh voice, for singers, and Tanvi Jeshta is the best remedy for severe cough problem. So whenever you have such problems, that time you can take Tanvi Jeshta extra. Tanvi Jeshta works on piles, fissures, constipation, mouth ulcers, many other complaints. And when we give asthmatic condition treatments, that time also Tanvi Jeshta is the main medicine in that. Whenever you have a cough problem, take Tanvi Jeshta 2 to 3 times a day and you will really feel better.